Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your love and support. I am so grateful. If today's the first day you are seeing my eyes and my face for the first time, this is Agatha Progress channel, and I come across your way every blessed day. Thank you very much to you that always share my video, like, and comment. I am grateful. I so much appreciate you all. God richly bless you. All right, let's go move into the reason why we are here today. Hope you. This is wonder shall never cease. Yes, okay, this is another wonderful one. Glory be to God in the highest, as per se. It's a very lovely and wonderful moment of which we all know that. I'm grateful personally for Burna Boy, for how God has promoted him in his music career. Nobody is against it. Everybody is happy for him. He's a great guy. He's a good guy. Yeah. And again, we still discover that he gave back to humanity some of the benefit he got. He went to the village and he started sharing food for a lot of people and all that. But something happened when Wike declared 10 million each to all the participants that went with Burna Boy to the competition. Like, some people said, why are they saying that Wike did wrong? Blaming Wike for what? Fam, we are not blaming Governor Wike, but we are blaming the spirit that is using him. Yes, because teachers are crying, pensioners are crying, children are crying, everybody is crying. The thing is not working well, no security, nothing, but you are giving group of people 10 million. At times I begin to imagine, did you know how far that 10 million, it might be giving it to 7 or 10 to 15 persons. Imagine, even if it's only 7 million, no, just calculate 10 million into 7 is how much? 10 million, 20 million, 17 million. Do you know how far 17 million will go to help the situation in that environment? I wish Governor Wike is a governor that, okay, is not holding pensioner, is not holding teachers, government workers, they are not crying, then he's giving that type of money, nobody will talk. But he's holding teachers. Government workers are lacking a lot in Rivers State. A lot has not been going well with us in Rivers State, but Governor Wike is giving that type of money to some persons, just a group of people. That is why we are talking. And some persons came out and they were saying Burna Boy should have a state or estate or a plot of water view to his name, supposed to have a big land and all that. Yes, it's his time, he wants it, he deserves it. But the point now is that if Governor Wike is doing all this when he have settled all these debts, nobody will be talking about it. This guy is holding money, a lot of money, but he can see that to just give to some set of people. What about the government workers? Police have not been paid. A lot of things has been going on. Insecurity is not there. Brutality is there and nobody is talking about it. And you are giving some group of people 10 million each. I'm going to release the video where he said it, that he is going to give 10 million each at the end of this video, so you guys will know what we are talking about. Nobody is against him giving these people money, but it's only government officials that need to be settled. Why don't he go and use this money to settle the debt, settle the educational system, erase everything, and people will glamour and clap for him than giving it to some set of people in the country? The other day we saw what happened in Lagos State, where this Fulani herdsmen, where there was a lot of burning and a lot of destructive facility. And what happened? Tinubu left Lagos and went to Kaduna and compensated the Fulani herdsmen that are in Kaduna, saying they should take this money and use it to build their infrastructure and use it to build the house that got burnt and all that, and left the ones that are in Lagos that is supposed to take care of. He left them and he went to do Good Samaritan somewhere with 50 million. That is the same thing now Wike is doing. You know that you are holding government workers. You know that you've not been doing what you're supposed to do. But you carry that money and give it to Burna Boy. Then what about the government workers? What will happen to them? Nobody is against Wike giving Burna Boy money, but we are against him when he did not do what he's supposed to do, but he's using that money to do something else. That is just our problem. That is the problem that we are having with all these people. They should come straight. They should be plain. They are just double-faced people. A lot of people will say, hey, it's because people are Biafra. It's not because we are Biafra. We have to say the truth the way it is. If you see a lot of things that is going on, nobody is talking about it. All these things they are doing, they are so transparent, and people are thinking they are giving glory to themselves, but they are not giving the glory to the people. These are all flawed. These are all a way to manipulate some people. When you know that people are hungry in the land, you took 10 million each and give it to them. What happened to the government officials that you've not paid? What happened to the teacher that you are owing salary for how many months? Let's come to think about it. Nobody is against it, but they are all pretenders. You see the governor in Southeast, they pretend a lot. They just want to come out in the face of the world. Let people see them that they are hardworking. Let people see them that they care for the people. Meanwhile, they never care a bit for the citizen. Look at insecurity everywhere. You went and you show off your face in the face of the earth. So people will say, oh, he's a very wonderful governor. Fam, you can't deceive us with that. That is just too trickish, because we know your plan. So I am going to drop the video for you to watch the video where he was making that declaration of giving them 10
million. All of you have come to today, whatever you have agreed with the Ministry of Culture and Tourism and none of business. But all of you that have come today, the Rivers people and the Niger Delta people have come to play today to show the talent you have. I'm very proud of you. All of you will go home with 10 million naira each.
Wike offered 50 million bounty on the head of a Biafran. I don't want to, I think Wike will double it on your own head. Anybody that takes out Wike will get 100 million. It's set aside. If you do it and I don't give you 100 million, then you know that I am not a human being, that I'm an animal. Wike is 100 million. Anybody who can take him down, 100 million, dead or alive, 100 million on the head of Wike, 100 million. He's an idiot. A fool he is, after all, because you grew little Hitler mustache. You think you've arrived, idiot. Wike is 100 million for his head. I will pay cash. And the money is in Biafra land. I will pay you cash, 100 million. Take down Wike, 100 million cash. Wike is 100 million. I will pay you cash, 100 million. Yes, you are go 20 million. He was denying it. Vagabond. The bounty on Wike's head is 100 million. And I will pay it. 100 million on Wike's head. Get me his head. You have 100.
My word. That is all about this video. Hope you do enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like this video and share this video. Your opinion is highly needed in the comment section. And if you are passing across this video for the first time, you are passing across this channel for the first time, and you haven't subscribed, you haven't joined this family, what are you then waiting for? Please do it to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you again in my next post shortly. I see you when I see you. Peace out.